Hello, my name is Brantley Spillman. I'm a student in EDM 310. Today we will be discussing the basic fundamentals of money. We will begin with our dollar bill, our quarter, which is a 25-cent piece, our dime, which is a 10-cent piece, our nickel, which is a 5-cent piece, and our penny, 1-cent piece. Our Common Core standard for second grade states we will be able to solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. We will do this by using dollar signs and cent signs symbols appropriately. One example may be if you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies, how many cents do you have? We will begin with the dollar bill. Our dollar bill on the front has George Washington, and this dollar bill is worth 100 cents. Second, we move to the quarter. George Washington is not only on the dollar bill, but also on the quarter, which is heads and tails, and our quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's say 4 quarters will make $1. Second, we have our dime. Once again, we have heads and tails, and Franklin Roosevelt is on the front of the dime. 10 dimes makes $1. Third, we have our nickel. Again, we have heads and tails, and on the head side of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. The nickel is equal to 5 cents, therefore it takes 20 nickels to make $1. Let's see, finally, the penny. Our penny, 1 cent. We have Abraham Lincoln on front of the penny, and it takes 100 pennies to make $1. Next, my partner will come to further discuss our subject.
My name is Hillary Thames, and I'm also a student in EDM 310 here at the University of South Alabama. And I'm going to answer the question, how do I read money? So how do you read money? The first thing you need to look for is the dollar sign. When there's a dollar sign placed in front of any numbers, you know that it is money. The next thing we're going to talk about is a decimal. The decimal separates the whole number, or the dollar, from the cent, which is part of the dollar. This is an activity to see if we know how to tell money. Write how much money I have. In this case, we have 1, 2 whole dollars. In that case, it would go in front of the decimal because they're whole. We have to use our dollar sign to indicate that we are using money. We have 25, 50 cent, 60, 70, 80 cent, 85 cent, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Since this does not equal a whole amount, we have to place it after the decimal, and we have 89 cents. So let's see if this is correct. $2.89. For the next activity, if I have 5 dimes, how much money do I have? Dimes are worth 10 cents, so we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. 50 does not equal a whole dollar, so we're going to have to place a 0, and then our decimal, and 50 cents. We have 50 cents. For the next question, if I have 4 dimes and 3 nickels, how much money do I have? I'm going to have a volunteer come up and answer.
Okay, since you said that a dime is worth 10, we'll have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then nickels are worth 5. We have 3, so it's going to be 5, 10, 15. So 15 plus 40 is going to be with a decimal, and then 55 cents.
Okay, let's see if she's correct. And the answer is 55 cents. So let's count. We have 10, 20, 30, and 40, just like she said, worth of dimes, and then nickels. We have 5, 10, and 15. 40 plus 15 is 55, so we have $0.55. For this activity, we're going to show 82 cents. So 82 cents, we look up here. There is a zero, so we do not use a whole dollar, but we're going to use cent. So we're going to need 82 pieces. 25, 50, 75. I'm looking here now. We have to get 82. We're going to have 75. This is 80. We need 82. 1 and 2. 82 cents. So we have 25, 50, 75, 80, 81, and 82. 82 cents. Now we're going to show $4.76. We look in front of the decimal and we see there is a whole number, so we have to use dollars. We need 4. $4. And now we're looking for cent, 76 cents. So we have 25, 50, 75. That's still not enough. We need 76. So we're going to use 1 penny. We have $4.76. For this slide and the rest, our other partner will finish.
My name is Haley Smith, and I'm also a student in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama. My first question is going to be, can you put $3.85 in your piggy bank? We're going to take $3. We got 1, 2, 3. That's all we need, because all we're asking for is $3. And then we need 85 cents. So you have 25, 50, 75, 85 cents in your piggy bank. If you have this much money, we're going to count and see how much money we have. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 25. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 80, 1, 2, 3. So we have $3.83. Which of these items can you buy? Can you buy a book? No. Can we buy a soccer ball? No. We buy Candyland. That's the one we're going to buy. We have $3.83 here, and I forgot my dollar sign. And we have $3.83 that you have to pay for Candyland. Okay, right now we have a piece of bubble gum that's worth $0.25 and a chocolate bar that's worth 75 cents. If I want 2 chocolate bars and 1 piece of gum, how much money do I need? I'll need 75 cents twice. So we have 75, 75, and for my piece of gum, we need 1 quarter. So we have our 1 quarter here. We have 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. And you can see that the answer is $1.75. Now we're going to dismiss to our class store. There's going to be different items for sale, like pencils, and you can buy little pieces of candy. They're going to be just around the room, so you will receive your plastic money and your paper dollars, and you can buy whatever you would like. Thank you.